Hello and welcome back to Instructional Design. Today we'll be going over 3 things: how to record a video with ArcCanvas, how to add a new video quiz with ArcCanvas, and how to publish a new video quiz. Now let's hover over the Arc sign and click on Arc. Now in this interface you will see 3 buttons on top right. So you can see record, add, and search. So let's click on record. If this is your first time recording anything, it will ask you to download software. After you download the software and install it, you can start using this feature. Let's click on screen record. Now this is the interface. So it doesn't matter if you click on webcam or screen or anything else. It will always pop up this menu, and you can always change this anytime you want. So let's click on computer audio, yes. Now we're on screen record. So notice that we have this bracket thing. So it will only record the stuff inside this bracket. So if you want to make it full screen, you want to drag it to the full screen. And then now we're set. So let's click on record. And that's it. You can record anything you like. If you already have a video you can always click on add. And this will, you can always add like a third-party video, or you can paste a YouTube channel. And then we'll go over to the next step, which is how to create a video quiz. Now let's move on to part 2 on how to add a quiz overlay. So I just added a new YouTube video. So let's click on add create new quiz. And it will show up to enter a quiz title. So I'll say this one, Lockdown Browser. Description is testing. Now if you want to hide the question marks on the timeline for students, click on this option. Well, normally when you finish adding a question on the quiz, it will show up a question mark at the exact timeline. If you click on this option, the students won't notice like when the quiz questions are coming up. Now let's play this video.
It will prompt you to.
At this point, I want to add a question, so move on to this timeline and click on this add button. And click on one of these 3. I'm going to make a multiple choice. Question: what button should I be pressing right now? Take quiz. Download. Add a new answer. Test. Now, you can click on vary points by answer to change each point of these answers. So if a question gets wrong, now if you click on vary points by answer, you can change the points for each answer. So for example, this is the correct answer, so I'll put on 2 points, and this is the not correct answer, but it's very close to the answer the students are supposed to be doing. So I'll just put on 1 point, and this one's completely off. So this one, if the students select this one, they'll get no points. Say, I don't want vary points by answer, so I'm not gonna click that. So let's say save. Now I have just correctly, officially added a new question. So let's move on with this video.
To download Respondus Lockdown Browser, where there is an explanational video. If you hit the browser, click.
Now pause the video and click on add question. We'll go over true or false. Should we click on download? Just hop over. Oh, I can do that. True. Save.
The Install Now button. Once you click it, it should download an executable file.
Okay, let's add one more question. We'll go over the last one like right here, like multiple answers. So the question would be, what should you be clicking on? Typing answer, download, install. Click on new answer. Fail. All of the above. Then click on shuffle choices. If you click on any of these options, it will lock the answer at this place. on save. Now, let's keep going with our video.
Start to Canvas
Now
using.
let's be wary. The students can only submit the quiz once they finish the entire video. So if they decided in the middle of the quiz that they didn't answer the previous question right, so they can always re-watch this entire video and answer it again without submitting it. So students have like a limited amount of tries to do this video before they submit this quiz. Now, what we just did is that we made a new quiz on this video. We can make as many quizzes as we want on this video. So let's click on more options and hover over to quizzes. You can see the lockdown browser quiz that we just created. And we can also add a new quiz. So click on add a new quiz. This one will be a quiz for class 2. Let's say test. I'll say get started. And now I can add more questions.
Click on.
Add different questions. You can add true or false in here. Say what do you do now? Should I click on the download? Save.
On the Take the Quiz button.
Now we press down again. It will make another set of quiz. That's different from lockdown browser. Now we have our video and quizzes ready, so let's go to the class we want to publish in. So a video quiz doesn't necessarily have to be a quiz. You can make it both an assignment or a quiz. Let's click on assignment. I want to make this one an assignment. Let's click on add new assignment. Assignment name is video quiz on lockdown browser. Okay, let's hover over at and I click on the video, select this one and say I'm gonna not allow comments on my video so students don't see each other. So you can select the quiz you want on this video from video quiz embedded. I'm gonna click on lockdown browser, embedded. Now this is the video I want it to be. One thing we need to be aware of when using a ARC video is when in the submission type, click on external tools, and in the URL section, click on find, select ARC, select on the video that you posted in your description, and then I'm not gonna allow comments, so turn that off. And in the video quiz embedded, select the quiz that you made for this video. Embed. And make sure to click on select. So to have this URL, and we're pretty much done. Click on save and publish. Leave. Now let's switch to. We don't have to. Let's click on get started. See how it looks.
Click on the quizzes page and select the quiz you need to take. Click on the Take the Quiz button. It will prompt you to download.
At this point, it will ask me the first question I set up for this quiz. So what button should I be pressing right now? I say take quiz.
Download Respondus Lockdown Browser. Click the Respondus.
Notice that if I don't like this answer, I can always rewind this video and answer this question again.
To download Respondus.
Say true.
The Install Now button.
So this one, I'll say these two. I'll click on all of them. Now, the students will only be able to submit the quiz when they finish the video and say submit quiz.